All right, so what's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Rob the Hitmaker, man, and we're back with another official sound doctrine video where we teach you guys how to be faster and more efficient as engineers. That way you can please your clients a lot more. So in today's video, you're simply just going to learn how to bounce your tracks. Pretty much meaning consolidate everything you just recorded and edited into one file so it could be sent off for mastering, sent off for your friends, sent in emails, sent wherever. We're taking the file and making it where you can actually send it to people, because you don't want to be trying to email everybody a big session that they can't open and can't play. So yeah, we got to learn how to bounce this thing out, man. Let's head over to Pro Tools. All right, you guys. So now that we're in Pro Tools, as you can see, I done did a little bit more to the session that we've been working on. I kind of just looped the hook over to make it seem like it's the verse or whatever the case may be. But simply all you want to do when it's time to bounce the session out is you want to make sure you fade it at the end. So pretty much that's just a standard thing to do in like in the music industry. You never want to just like let the song just cut off. You can if you want to, but most people, they fade it out at the end. So one way to do it is just highlight from the end. So where you want to start the fade from, and just simply press the F button. It'll put a short fade on the end of the track. All right, and then to bounce it out, you just want to highlight from the end of the song to the beginning of the song. You can either go up here, press File, and go to Bounce, or you can also pay attention to the shortcut, which is Control-Alt-B, and it's going to pull up this menu. And from here, you can change the type of, I usually use WAV and MP3. I give myself both every time. So if you select WAV, it'll allow you to click MP3 as well. At the bottom, this is location where you want to save the track at. It's already preset to be saved in this particular folder. But let's say you don't want to put it in the session folder. You can choose where you want to put it. Bit depth has a lot to do with quality. Sample rate has a lot to do with quality. And mix source is the source in which your sound is coming out of. So I'm running the Apollo, and mine just called mono or MON, left and right. I don't really know exactly what it means or whatever the case may be. But let's just save this session. So let's put sound doctrine bounce tutorial. Right? So you can either hit, if you hit offline bounce, it's going to bounce without playing the song. If you uncheck offline bounce, it'll play the song all the way through. A lot of times I like to let the song play all the way through so the artist can get one final listen, just in case they want to change anything before we do it. But for this purpose, I'm just going to simply hit bounce. I'm going to hit offline bounce. And this is some more options you can choose to do as far as encoding the song. I don't know how familiar y'all are with this, but like, let's say if you put this song in Windows Media Player, or let's say if you put this, or even if you searching for this song on your computer, like the same way you can pull up different options on your files, like up here how you got name, date modified, type, size, and all that stuff like that. Let's say you go in here, you put the name of the song, you put the artist, you put album, you put comment. This is some things that are actually embedded in the MP3 file so other programs can read it. I don't really play with it as much unless I'm officially like dropping an album or something like that, but y'all can look into this. We'll hit bounce and you'll see the file actually bouncing out. This way is much faster. It just depends. If an artist is doing 10 songs, I'm definitely going to hit offline bounce. But if it's just a couple songs, I'm going to let the whole song bounce out. And this is how you actually find your song. So remember, in a prior video, I taught y'all about organizing your sessions or whatever the case may be. So you'll simply just go to document, or wherever you save yours at, you go to sessions. You will find where you saved it at. And mine should be called Sound Doctrine Teaching. Sound Doctrine, go to your bounce files, and voila. All right, y'all, so I know today was a short video, but it's a necessary step. It's the final step, actually, before you either get it mastered or before it's actually fully completed, where you can send it off and upload it and stream it. So probably one of the most simple steps, but one of the most important steps. Can't do anything without the music if you can't send it to anybody, or if you can't upload it to your distro kids and all the other cool services, man. So yeah, let's stick around. It's your boy, Rob the Hitmaker, man. This is another official sound doctrine tutorial. Let's get it in, man.